So the biggest thing that I really want to hammer home and sort of set the foundation is the inbound marketing philosophy. So when we work with clients, before we even do our first brainstorm, before we even start creating content on their behalf, we need to understand that they understand our philosophy. We need to be ingrained together, and they need to know the difference between the traditional funnel approach and the flywheel model that we take for our clients. And this is what we recommend really for any business, no matter what industry, to model their strategy by. Okay. With the
Mhm.
traditional funnel approach, the whole goal is to get as many people at the top that will eventually convert and funnel down to the bottom, right? And you're really just focused on that vicious cycle to get people more at the top to become customers and convert them. Once they become customers, you typically forget about them. You're on to the next, massive amounts of traffic that you can attract to then move down. And you rinse and repeat that over and over, and it's a manual labor process. It gets tiring.
Mhm.
The flywheel model is more of an automated approach for your business where you're actually going
Mhm.
deeper with your clients. You're going deeper with people that already have shown some intent or know you, like you, or trust you. All those things are super important when it comes to content marketing. So in the flywheel model, you want to attract, engage, and delight. The whole goal is to create content, whether it be hyperlocal blogs about things that are going on, which I'm going to give you guys direct examples that you can replicate on your own here. But
Mhm.
the overall philosophy is when you attract, engage, and delight, you're creating this autonomous wheel of content that brings people down a journey. And when you do
Mhm.
that, you are attracting, not chasing your business.
Mhm.
You're creating content that people want to read or consume. Again, you want to educate, inform, or entertain. That's the
Mhm.
core reason that you create content. Okay, so when you attract them, then you now have remarketing in place that re-engages them. It shows more intent. They have more convert style campaigns that capture leads or people inquire. But then you want to take it a step further as well. All of your existing past clients, all of the people that are in your sphere, you need to upload those people to social media to stay top of mind with them as well. And now you're delighting
Mhm.
customers, you're delighting your sphere. So now you have
Mhm.
a full comprehensive flywheel model that you're attracting, engaging, and delighting with your content. And what happens is, we're in the South, Randy, so we know all about hurricanes. So when it comes to this wheel or this model, it grows as you get more customers. At the core, it's always
Mhm.
centered around your customers. That's what your content should be.
Mhm.
And as you get more, it not only spins faster, it grows. Your business grows, your
Mhm.
customers grow,
Mhm.
your marketing grows. So it kind of you begin to get brand promoters, not only customers or clients, but people that are actually advocating for you and giving you free marketing.